sisi ko, welcome back to my vlog. Sa travel kami ng asawa ko. Bilico, Tarnovo mga sisi ko. Travel namin 3 hours from Sophia to Bilico, Tarnovo. Mag-travel time check 8:59 in the morning mga sisi ko. Serious as always yung husband ko. By the way mga sisi ko, autumn na ngayon. Autumn na ngayon, pero like winter. Supang lamig. Imagine mga sisi ko, 12 degree lang siya. Outside mga sisi ko. And the driver. Hindi maganda ang weather ngayon. Piling ko ulan. Madilim yung kalangitan mga sisi ko. Ang tatabunan siya ng ulap. Saturday ngayon mga sisi ko. Maganda talaga mag-travel early morning kasi hindi siya heavy traffic.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's average. Ayan mga sisi ko. Mga sisi ko, travel update, naligaw kami. Niligaw kami ng wise sa ibang daanan. So, umikot kami. Dadagdagan to ng oras yung traveling namin. Minsan talaga itong wise na sulukulukul ko sa saan ka sinusuot eh. Magugulat ka na lang, unknown place na pala ikaw eh. Yung road. Kaya pala medyo heavy traffic kami ngayon. Ayan, nakikita ninyo?
Coming to Sophia is very
ayan, coming to Sophia, mga sisi ko, on the left. Heavy traffic siya. Ayan, as you can see. But going to Bilico, Tarnovo, napaka-flow na ng travel namin. Ayan, oh. Maybe next time when we go back, we just need to travel early as possible, so we're not gonna encounter this kind of heavy traffic when you're going back to Sophia, right? What do you think about the idea? Oh yeah, night travel, yeah, not bad. Ay mga sisi ko, ang lalaki ka ng mga truck. Ayan, pinakang hindi ko gusto pag travel nakasama ang mga truck. Piling ko sandwich kami. 10 minutes na ang haba. Okay, natapos din. Umuulan ng mga sisi ko. Papasok tayo sa tunnel. Just only 80. Oh, may camera. So we'll see. Tunnel Toffoli Doll. What does it mean?
Water something. I don't know English. It's like a ground place.
By the way mga sisi ko, hindi pala kami nag-breakfast nang malas kami. So habang nag-travel kami, kakain muna ako. Ito yung dala kong pagkain. Sambag. Takot maguto yung sisi nyo. Mga sisi ko nakita akong puro punong pinutol. May mga nagtitinda ng local sa kalsada.
Mahal ko they have camera, everybody will pay. Not only me.
Nasa Zigzag Road tayo mga sisi ko. Ayun mga sisi ko, another vendor street. Street vendor.
They are good sellers, yeah.
Yeah.
The production is not like that, it's good.
Mahal ko, that's fresh from the
Right
farm.
From the farm. It's not farm, but it's just field. It's nice.
It's nice.
Yep.
Local market.
This is very famous village, by the way, Bolgarski Izvor.
Really?
Yeah, it's like every traffic comes through here, so it's a lot of business. But it's not very quiet. It's not quiet for a village.
Nasa village tayo mga sisi ko. Kumbaga sa Pinas, probinsya. Tawag dito villages.
It is nice, no?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Bulgarska i Karska. Mga sisi ko houses again. Hindi sila nakatira sa apartment. More on restaurant. Stuki si Biga. What is Biga? Stuki si Biga.
Stock is a bit,
Aida.
like goods for the market. Not for the market, for the how you call it, the bit for the life, for the everyday life.
Okay.
Goods for everyday life, like necessities for everyday life, things like that. Monica, you took my laptop, right?
Yeah.
With the charger.
Da.
Okay, thank you. Because
Another town na naman mga sisi ko ang nadaan natin. Isang oras and 24 minutes na lang ang natitira. They don't have bus station. Here. Ang ganda na ng ulap, tapos na umulan. Ambon lang siya kanina, pero ngayon, nakikita ninyo, asul na asul ang ulap. Parang feeling ko maaabot ko yung langit. What do you think about the sky, mahal ko? It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's like I can touch it. Oh. It's so nice.
Almost.
Ikaw mag-stop over muna kami ng asawa ko, mga 10 minutes lang. Right? Ang taba ko ng mga sisi ko. Tanggalin ko yung ano ko, nadideform yung buko sa cup. Kami ng what do you call that? Let's go. Check namin yung gulong ng asawa ko. Are you going out?
I'm gonna pee.
Toilet break lang ang asawa ko. Then after that, mag-travel ulit kami. So while I'm waiting to him, I'm going to eat something.
Monica, can you give me one wet wipe?
Sure. Nandito na pala yung asawa ko. Here you go, mahal ko. Okay, sa pabiyada ite.
Okay.
Especially, biskwiti. Dobre, bosle. Aso chakam. I'm just waiting here. While he's fixing something outside. Sa mga sisi ko. Ito yung baon ko. Diba? Napakasit ng asawa ko. Binauna niya pa ako ng chocolate. Ang dami ko nakain. Tapos nagluto din ako ng boiled egg mga sisi ko. In case magutom ako. At saka yung asawa ko. And also, matamis. Snacks. Tapos yung bread ng asawa ko. Yung bread ko nakain ko na. Tapos pink kinain kanina ng asawa ko. So far, for almost 1 hour na lang naman ang natitira. Para makaano kami. Makarating na sa Bilico Turnabo. I-check din ng asawa ko yung gulong. Ayan o. Nag-check siya ng gulong. That's good to know, mahal ko. That's the important that the wheels are good. The weather is unpredictable. A while ago is super cold right now. Still cold, but at the same time, it's Goridol. Yeah, it's the same time hot.
Yeah.
Goridol, mahal ko. It's Soso. Goridol or Goridul?
Goridol.
Goridol. Up, down.
Up,
Gori is up,
So.
Dol is down.
Da.
Dobre.
Okay.
Hayde. What is travel na bulgarski?
Хайде да тръгваме.
Hayde na trabdame.
Да тръгваме.
Na trabdame.
Да тръгваме.
Dobre.
You want to open this one?
Sisiko, time check. 10 minutes left. Malapit na kami sa aming destination. Time check. It's 12:03. Oh, 9 minutes. I'd say. Kanina it's 8 minutes. Anyway. Ang ganda ng weather natin. Mainit na malamig. Share ko lang mga sisi ko. Dito na tayo mga sisi ko sa Bilico Turnabo. Sa main road. Welcome home to your hometown, mahal ko.
Let's see which road we need to take. I'm not sure yet.
Let's see what's the Y said. Why you didn't open your Ys?
Because I don't have time. I think I know.
You want me to open it?
No, you don't know what to write. No. On it, you don't know what to write.
Okay.
I think I know.
Bilico Turnabo. Diha pa pulis, mahal ko. Start. It's 3 minutes.
Всичко е готово. Да хващаме пътя.
Is it right?
В кръговото излезте през втория изход.
Where we going? Is this one that you're going to? Drive?
Don't worry. I'll miss it if you talk to me.
След 200 метра в кръговото излезте през третия изход.
No, remove it. Confusing me. I know where to go. Just it's wrong.
Dito na mga sisi ko, ano na siya. Medyo traffic na. Kasi maliit lang yung somebody crossing by.
Parking space here. So, but we don't have anything to do here.
Yeah, no more parking space. There's a lot of people inside Praktiker, mga sis ko.
It's busy.
Yeah, it's Saturday, always busy. I remember those times where we go there.
Oh.
He's going to park.
One turn and we're there.
Yeah, no worries, I'm not worried. I'm enjoying the view. Really could have a ring road. Interesting. What ko car?
She needs to wait.
May mga wedding mga sisi ko.